Hello and welcome back to my channel. I am Ayesha, and in this video I am going to talk on food contamination and spoilage. This is a very important topic. At the same time it is a very interesting topic. In this video I am going to talk what is food spoilage, what is food contamination, what are the causes of contamination, what are food contaminants. This topic is very important for students of BSc and MSc who are pursuing food science and nutrition, food technology, dietetics and similar fields, and also for common people this is a very important topic. Without taking much time, I'll start the topic. What is food contamination and spoilage? A brief introduction about food contamination and spoilage is food should be protected from contamination through all the stages it undergoes before it reaches the table. Sanitation affects every phase of food handling and quality control should be maintained throughout. Spoilage in food begins as soon as food is vegetable or fruits are harvested or picked, eggs are laid, fish is catched, an animal is slaughtered for meat, milk is drawn from the milked animal and continues till the food is consumed. To prevent food from getting spoiled, it is important to know how and why food spoiled, which are the methods that are likely to cause spoil rapidly, what are the factors that bring about quicker spoilage, and how can be prevented from getting spoiled. To protect food from spoilage, it is essential that we prevent microorganisms from entering into food and prevent those that have already entered into it from multiplying. Food spoilage can be defined as decomposition and damage caused to food by various agents, making it unsuitable for consumption. The term contaminated is used for those foods which are not fit to be eaten for sanitary reasons. Although they may look, smell and taste good, they may contain harmful chemicals, non-food matter and bacteria. The term spoiled is used for those foods which look harmful and unfit to eat. Spoiled food has an unattractive color, smell, taste and appearance. In both these cases, food is unfit for consumption because of the presence of undesirable changes which have taken place, and the food is labeled as spoiled. What are the types of contaminants in food? Food can be contaminated or spoiled by any of the following sources and at any stage from the farm to the table till it is consumed. Sources of contamination of food include air, water, plant, soil, food handler, machinery and equipment, sewage and trucks or carts during transport. Food contamination refers to the presence of harmful chemicals and microorganisms that cause illnesses or injury in food when such food is consumed. Coming to biological contaminants in food. Contaminants include microorganisms growing in food causing spoilage and infection, cysts of parasite like nematode and other worms that can cause infestations, protozoal infestations like amoebiasis, etc. When untreated human excreta is used as a fertilizer for plant, these organisms contaminate food. Some biological natural toxins are listed here. Certain plants and animals may contain natural substances that are poisonous and may produce gastrointestinal disturbances. Some may even prove fatal. Some of the naturally occurring toxicants in plants have been listed here. First one is Lathyrus sativus or kesari dal. Kesari dal contains a neurotoxin called BOAA, beta oxalyl aminoalanin. The toxin causes a disease of the nervous system that results in paralysis of the lower limbs. Another naturally occurring toxicant in plant is soybean. Soybeans contain trypsin inhibitors that inhibit the breakdown and availability of proteins in the digestive system. This may result in intestinal disorders. The trypsin inhibitors can be destroyed by adequate heat treatment. Next one is green potatoes. Green, sprouting and damaged potatoes contain high amounts of solanine that is toxic to humans. It causes vomiting, abdominal pain and diarrhea with 8 hours after consumption. Such potatoes should be discarded. Next one, argemone seeds. The seeds of Argemone mexicana, a weed growing along with mustard seeds, yields 22 to 36% non-edible argemone oil. Argemone oil contains the toxin sanguinarine that causes epidemic dropsy characterized by swelling of legs, diarrhea, and difficulty in breathing and can be fatal. Weeds of argemone should be removed before flowering to prevent contamination as the seeds resemble mustard seeds. Next biological natural toxin is mycotoxins. In that, ergot is a mycotoxin produced by Claviceps purpurae, a parasitic fungus that attacks wheat, barley, and rye grains and causes the disease of ergotism. When bread made from such infected cereals is consumed, the main symptoms are convulsions and gangrene. Next mycotoxin is cereals and groundnuts that are improperly stored may have the mold Aspergillus flavus and Aspergillus parasiticus growing on it. This mold produces a mycotoxin called aflatoxin. The toxins act on the liver and damages it. The toxin is produced at favorable moisture and temperature levels. Other important mycotoxins are patulin produced by Penicillium species. Next one is poisonous mushroom. Mushrooms are edible fungi, but some varieties are poisonous. They produce hepatotoxic factors that damage the liver and result in death. The toxin muscarine is produced by muscaria that stimulates the nerves. Symptoms are nausea, headache, excessive salivation, and tears, dizziness, and confusion. The last biological natural toxins is present in seafoods, mussels and clams, that is shellfish. Ocean mussels and clams may be poisonous during some periods of the year when they feed on small crustaceans who in turn have been feeding on dinoflagella, single-celled organisms. These dinoflagellates are toxic algae that produce the heat-stable to paralytic shellfish poison, which is extremely toxic to humans. Symptoms include itching, numbness of lips and tongue, muscular weakness, and respiratory paralysis that can be fatal. Friends, there are many natural toxins in food, but most of these toxins cause toxicity when consumed in excess. Small amounts of these may not be toxic. Hence, toxins represent a minor hazard as compared to bacterial hazards. I would like to stop the video here because the length of the video is becoming too large. In the next video, I may continue with the topic toxic metals and chemicals, pesticide residues, presence of extraneous materials, residue from processing and packaging material, reasons for food spoilage, etc. Thank you for watching the video till the end. Please subscribe to my channel and do comment your queries in the comment section. Thank you.